Nau mai koutou. Hi, my name is Devan.
In WINTON School, I'm Callum. Welcome to N.E.W.S News for Rātui the 3rd of March.
Okay, we start the day with sports news. There is no have a go cricket today for Year 1 to 4 students due to junior athletics back on next week.
All senior relay runners meet Mrs. Collett on Eglinton Street field at interval for practice.
That's today and tomorrow for all team members, including reserves. That's a must-do. Kia ora.
And congratulations to all the runners in yesterday's 800 metres and 1500 metres races.
A couple of amazing races and lots of house points dished out.
Yes, and we have junior athletics scheduled for today. Good luck everyone, have fun.
Let's get into Te Puku o Te Ahi. This week's word is Te Waipronomo, which is Te Reo for the South Island.
No Te Waipronomo. Te Pronomo Greenstone is the South Island.
Ka pai. Tiki Team Youth. You have a bua in room 13 at playtime. Today, that's now. Kia ora.
Okay, we announced it yesterday. There are 4 birthdays at WINTON School today. Amy Dyke is turning 12.
Keely Anderson Kariti is turning 8.
And Maya Short and Logan Wallace are both turning the big 6.
That's got to be some kind of record. Happy birthday, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great day.
Okay, that's a wrap for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S team. Ka kite a popo.
Haere a WINTON School.